Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start an Anki. Open the deck that holds the cards you want removed. Once inside, press B or click Browse to access the card list. This is where deletions happen. Use the search bar, tags, or the deck filter to isolate the specific notes. This saves time and prevents accidental deletion. Pause and confirm you see only the intended cards before moving on, because Anki will apply actions to whatever is selected in this window. Now select the targets. Click Single Cards, hold Shift for ranges, or press Ctrl + to pick all search results. Once selected, review the right-hand preview pane to confirm content. This step prevents accidental loss of important notes. If you find a card to keep, deselect it. Otherwise, proceed. Remember, selecting notes versus cards matters. Deleting a note removes all its cards, while deleting a card removes only that card. Make choices deliberately. Press Delete or choose Edit, then Delete, and respond to the confirmation dialog to complete the removal. This step finalizes the action. Understand the why. Deleting a note removes every card generated from it, while deleting an individual card leaves the note intact. Once done, close Browse and Sync. Make sure to sync both local and Anki web copies. If something goes wrong, stop and restore from your most recent backup immediately to recover deleted notes and cards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.